This is our Veterinary Assistant Skills Clinic. We have great prices that are very affordable. We offer services like bath and blow dry, nail trims, and ear cleanings. Students can learn how to take care of animals, groom them, and give them special treatments. Everybody's welcome as long as you have an updated rabies form. So that is all completely student run, and all of our teachers help us out with all certified vet techs. I want to be a vet since I was a very, very young age. I used to live on a little farm. We had chickens, we had prairie dogs everywhere. Veterinary assistant has really changed my life. Learning about animals and learning about behaviors, especially through the skills clinic, has really helped me understand their body language and really set the fundamentals for my future career.